In this lecture, we are going to work on edit profile. As soon as we click on this, user will be redirected to profile.php, and after question mark, we have passed this edit account value, and as soon as we click on this, we should be redirected to this file. Just copy this, come to editor. Inside this users area, I'm just going to create that file. So first we are going to write the static structure, and later on we are going to write the PHP logic. Pass h3 class, I will write text custom maroon as well as margin bottom of 4. Inside this, I will write update account details. Below this, create the form. Action, I do not need. I'm just going to remove. Method, I will be passing post. Why? Because we are just going to send the data. So method has to be post. And user can edit the profile picture as well. So we will be passing ink type. Ink type is equal to multi-part form data. Very important. If you're working with videos or if you're working with images, then you have to pass this attribute, multi-part form data. And for this, I will also pass the class width of 75. I will create one div, margin bottom of 3. Inside this div container, I will be creating label. And for this, I will give the class as form label. Inside this for, I will be passing username, and label I'm just going to pass username. Below this label, I will be creating one input field. Class, I will write form control. For username, type will be text. ID, I will be passing the same thing, copy, and here I will be pasting. Next, for this I will be making as required, and very important attribute, name attribute, inside which I'm just going to pass username. You can also pass username or you can pass username. Now same thing I will copy. Below this div container, I'm just going to paste. Next for, I will write user email. Label, I will be writing email. Copy this. Inside this name, user email, ID user email, but type will only be email. Again, copy this same thing. Here I will be pasting. Next, label, I'm just going to pass profile image. For, I will write user image. Same thing, copy. Name attribute user image. ID will be user image. Type, I'm just going to pass file. So using this input field, user can insert the new image. But while editing, whatever current profile image we are having for the user, that should also be displayed. So here I will be writing image tag, and for this I will give the class as profile image. I will write in short, as well as I will write margin start of 3. As of now, I will just display the dummy image. So inside this users, I'm just going to display this ria.png. I will come inside user images folder. Inside this, I will display ria.png. Inside alt, let me write current profile image. And what I will do, both this input field and images, I'm just going to wrap inside one div. So side by side, both the things has to be displayed. And for this div, I will give the class as display flex. And also, I will write align items to be center. Hit enter, copy this closing div, and below this image tag, I'm just going to close. And below this div container, I will be creating one small tag. Still we are inside this div itself. Inside this div, we have created another div in which we are having our input field and image tag. Then here, I will be creating small tag. Class, I will write form text, as well as I will be passing text muted. And inside this, I will simply write upload a new file to change your current profile picture. Now copy this div container. Here below this div container, I will be pasting. Next label, I'm just going to pass address. For, I will write user address. Copy this. Here paste, and then type will be text. Then next, again copy this div container. Below this, I will be pasting. Now it will be mobile number, and inside this I will write 10 digits. For user mobile, copy, paste and paste. Type, let it be text. I will also pass maximum length attribute, for which I will assign the value 10. Only 10 digits I can enter, more than 10 I cannot enter for this mobile number. And finally, below this, I will be creating another div class. I will be passing display grid, as well as I will be passing gap of 2. Inside this, create the input field. For this, type will be submit. Next, I will pass the value. Value I will write update profile. Next, I will also pass the class. Class I will write btn custom and padding y of 2. And finally, name attribute, very important. I will write user update. I hope you are clear with this structure. What we have done, we have created one H3 inside which we have passed simple heading. Then inside the form, we have passed method attribute, in type attribute, and we have passed some classes. Then for username, we have created email, profile image, and inside this, we are going to display the current profile, as well as we are going to create one input field so that user can select the new image. Then we are having input field for address, mobile number, and finally we have created update profile button. Now I'm just going to refresh. You can see in this way the content will be displayed. Username, email, from here user can select the new image, and whatever current image we are having inside the database, that will be shown here. Then we are having address, and whatever small tag we have written, that is displayed, mobile number, and finally we are having this button. Next lecture, we are going to work on this logic.